Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 14 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, go into Devices Settings and tap on Display section right away. Then click on Display Size and Text. And thanks to this slider under font size, adjust it however you want to. You can check out preview above. When you finished, just click on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!